Welcome to Beginner's Guide to SOLIDWORKS Loft lesson. In a new part, add an auxiliary plane. Select the top plane. Set the spacing and number of planes. And click OK to finish. Select the top plane and make it visible. Add a new sketch in the top plane. Draw the profile and dimension as indicated. Select the Sketch Fillet command. Set the radius and the corners to round. Exit the sketch to continue. From the Hide Show command, hide all planes. Select Plane 1, add a new sketch, draw and dimension it as indicated. Select the Sketch Fillet command and the corners to round. Exit the sketch to continue. Select Plane 2. Add a new sketch and click on Convert Entities. Select Sketch 1 from the Flyout Feature Manager. Click OK and exit the sketch to continue. Select Plane 3. Add a new sketch and draw a circle. Make the circle tangent to the horizontal line. Exit the sketch. Change to an isometric view. Select Lofted Boss from the Features tab and select the sketches in the order indicated. Expand the Start and Constraints section and set both to Normal to Profile. Expand the Curvature Display section and explore the different options available. Click OK to continue. Add a new fillet in the base edge. Set the radius and click OK to finish. Add a new sketch in the top face. Use Convert Entities and select Extruded Boss. Set the depth and click OK to finish. Select the Shell command. Set the shell thickness and select the top face. Click OK to finish. If your hardware supports it, activate the Real View graphics. Change the material. In the View toolbar, select the Section View command. Click and drag the section view manipulators to explore the different section view options. Click OK to continue. Click again to turn the section view off. Select it again and activate the Section 2 option to explore the different section view options. Click OK to finish, and click on the Section View command to turn it off. Save the part as Loft Bottle and close it.